Your AirPods are switching because of Apple's continuity features, designed for seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. This system uses Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) to detect nearby devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The AirPods prioritize the most recently active device, or the one with an active audio stream. Proximity, signal strength, and your device activity, like unlocking your iPhone, trigger these switches. While intended to be convenient, this often leads to unwanted and disruptive transitions. Apple's automatic switching logic is built on Bluetooth 5.0 Plus technology combined with proprietary handoff features. This creates a seamless connection system across Apple devices. The foundation uses Bluetooth 5.0 Plus for wireless connectivity, enhanced by Apple's handoff technology that allows devices to share audio streams automatically. AirPods support two key Bluetooth profiles, A2DP for high-quality music and video audio, and HFP for clear phone calls. Inside each AirPod is an H1 or H2 chip that enables ultra-fast pairing and intelligent switching decisions. The switching logic prioritizes devices that are actively playing audio. For example, if you're watching a video on your iPad and your iPhone receives a call, the AirPods will automatically switch to handle the phone call. Several factors influence this automatic behavior, including your iCloud account, linking devices together, and shared Wi-Fi network connections. The simplest immediate solution is to manually control your Bluetooth connection. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Find your AirPods in the list of devices and tap the I icon next to them. Select Connect to this iPhone iPad and choose when last connected to this iPhone iPad. This prevents automatic switching and forces the AirPods to stay connected to your chosen device until you manually switch them. For a more permanent solution, you can disable automatic switching altogether. Within the same Bluetooth settings, look for an option labeled Connect to this iPhone, iPad, or similar wording depending on your iOS version. Change this setting from automatic to when last connected to this iPhone, iPad. Repeat this process on all your Apple devices to prevent unwanted switching from any of them. Sometimes, glitches in the Bluetooth connection can cause erratic switching behavior. A clean slate can resolve these issues. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap Forget this device. Then, put your AirPods back in their case, open the lid, and press the Setup button on the back until the status light flashes white. Reconnect to your AirPods through the Bluetooth settings on your device. This establishes a fresh connection, potentially eliminating the switching problem. If the standard fixes don't work, explore third-party Bluetooth management tools like Tooth Fairy, available on the Mac App Store. These apps offer granular control over Bluetooth connections and can help prevent unwanted switching. As a last resort, consider resetting your AirPods to their factory settings. Note that open-source alternatives with customizable fixes are also becoming available, although these are only for advanced users at this stage. Looking ahead, Apple continues to evolve AirPods connectivity through software updates and innovative features. Future iOS updates will likely include more intelligent automatic switching controls. AI-enhanced integration will analyze your usage patterns to predict and prevent unwanted device switches. Multi-device audio support will allow AirPods to output sound to multiple devices simultaneously. Stay updated with iOS and AirPods firmware releases that promise better Bluetooth management. Your feedback to Apple directly influences these improvements, so share your experiences on their support page.